Going on, guys? In today's video we're going to be installing the exhaust on the new Ram, the 2021 1500. We're here, let's get into it. Here we go, step one on the hoist. Not the usual step one, a bit early for a beer. Alright everyone, this is Dallas, how are you, mate?
Not too bad, how you going?
Yeah, good.
Hello YouTubers. Hey.
So what's the plan here, mate?
Well, we're going to get rid of the standard exhaust, throw on the Redback Extreme 44 system, dual 3-inch. We're going to turn this into a monster, get it from being a mouse.
Beauty.
So that's what we want. It looks the part, let's do it.
Alright, we'll give you a listen. This is the before. Stock as a rock. That's just embarrassing. We're going to change that part. So this is the new system all laid out on the box behind me. I'll give you a bit of a look. Now hopefully that's going to get it rumbling. This is going to be good. I can't wait to hear it. But we got to get that old shit off first. Alright, well that's all the old gear off. Time to start chucking the new one on. Nearly all the way out the back now, mate.
Coming together nicely. Looking the part.
As long as it sounds the part.
Yeah, it's going to sound the part right. You'll love it.
The icing on the cake. Hell yeah. Nearly done. Tips are on, just got to tack them in place. You just got to make sure they're even, mate.
Get them all in the right spot. That's what we want to see. Let's see how they're going to look.
Alright mate, all good, eh?
Yeah, thanks heaps for the job, mate. Enjoy. I think you'll have a lot of fun.
I'll give it a go.
Oh, definitely. No, it sounds great. Oh, we'll see you cruising around. We can't say doing, but we'll see you cruising around.
Absolutely.
Mate.
Responsibly.
Responsibly, that's it. Speed limit.
Well mate, thanks again, eh?
Thanks heaps, mate. See you later.
Well there you go guys, exhaust done and dusted. Pretty stoked with that, sounds pretty good. Thanks again to Dallas, put his number on the screen here. Cheers brother, and we'll see you next time guys. Peace. I don't say peace. Alright, and we'll see you next time guys, catch you up. Alrighty, we'll catch you next time, see ya.